ULCA, which stands for Universal Language Contribution API, developed by MeiTY, is a standard API and open scalable data platform for datasets, models, and benchmarking for Indian languages. This is part of the broader NLTM initiative or Bhashini and is already the largest repository of datasets and AI models in Indian languages. ULCA will help researchers develop language AI technologies including machine translation or NMT, automatic speech recognition or ASR, text-to-speech or TTS, and optical character recognition or OCR in all 22 Indian languages. There are three main components of ULCA, namely datasets, models, and the benchmarking. To train AI models, large amounts of data are required. ULCA has a collection of such large datasets that have been collected over a period of time. ULCA supports summation of the following types of datasets: parallel corpus, which are parallel sentences in two different languages with the same meaning; ASR datasets, which contain audio to text mapping; TTS datasets, which are studio quality recordings with their respective text mappings; ASR unlabeled, which are audio file snippets without the transcripts; OCR dataset, which contain image to text mapping. ULCA will be expanded to other dataset types as required. The dataset contain records belonging to various domains such as news, finance, education, healthcare, sports, and many more. These records are collected through various methods such as crowdsourcing, crawling and post-processing, or data collected by language experts. ULCA also contains a repository of language AI models in Indian languages. These models have typically been trained using the datasets we talked about earlier. A trained language AI model performs some specific tasks such as machine translation, which means automatic translation of text from one Indian language to another; automatic speech recognition, meaning automatic transcription of audio data in Indian languages; optical character recognition, meaning automatic detection of text in Indian languages from images; text-to-speech, wherein text is converted into natural sounding speech. Researchers can port their models to the ULCA platform through implementing the ULCA API. Already, more than 180 models in machine translation, ASR, OCR, and TTS have been submitted. Over time, it is expected that researchers will submit better tuned models for the various language AI tasks. Benchmarking is a key part of the ULCA platform to measure the performance of the language AI models. In other words, the effectiveness or efficiency of a model is defined as benchmarking, which is usually done against a standard golden dataset with an universally accepted metrics for a given task type. A benchmarking dataset is a collection of carefully human-curated records which act as a golden dataset. Having the right benchmarks and metrics are critical for the progress of the language AI models. ULCA has implemented some of the universally accepted metrics for each task. ULCA exposes a leaderboard where the models are ranked based on their respective scores against a selected metrics during the benchmarking process. We will demonstrate some of these models that have been contributed to ULCA.